Welcome to part 5 of making the Corvette great again. I'm going to make the intro short because even I at this point are getting extremely bored with this. So this is the third time that I've been back. I got the right part. Let's throw it together so that we can go drive it and finish up with it and get it off of my friend's lift before he kills me. So without further ado, listen to some cool music while we do all the hard work, okay? Thank you for watching. Let's do it. What's up, everybody? Day 2 of week 3. Working hard to get it back together. So far we've had pretty good luck. We've got the drive shaft in, the transmission brace that braces it from the tail shaft to the rear end. I'll take you under there in a second. I'll show you a couple things that I just kind of noticed while doing it, so hopefully it helps somebody out there that's trying to tackle the same job. We got the exhaust left to put on. We have the X brace to put underneath it, and then once we're done with that, we can fill the transmission with fluid, address the stereo system in there, and put some fluids in it, and hopefully we're rolling. So a few things left. Stick around. Hopefully by the end of the day, we're rolling in it. Let's go underneath and I'll show you a couple things that I noticed while going through here. So again, when you're putting this brace in, it's really hard. You have to kind of maneuver around this, and I did notice at the end that this actually changes. You can disconnect it, but I was able to kind of maneuver it around. These U-joints were not easy. We used a socket to beat it out. That was the best thing that I could find online, but I changed those, and for 44 bucks now we got a solid drive line. I think it's pretty good and easy. We got the all the sensors plugged in. We just have to fill it up. We've put the clutch slave cylinder on, and we bolted the cat up. So we have everything pretty much in place, bolts all tightened and ready to go. So hopefully by the end of the day, we will be able to do it. Let's see. What's up? We're on the ground off the lift. Very positive. I have checked it out and drove it around the block, and looks like we are in business. The throwout bearing noise is gone. Everything seems to drive. The rattle is gone. Looking good. So All we have left to do is a few little odds and ends and a nice little polish, and then we should be ready for our final video. I hope you guys are following along. If you want the inside pics, follow me on Instagram. And if you would like to subscribe, please do so. That's the best way you can support us. We really love all our fans and all the people that helped us. Shout out to Rob Pitts. He helped me get the part. Otherwise, we would not be rolling today. Also, my buddy Brett, who let us use this amazing shop with all of these awesome bikes and cars and jet skis and hot rods and Mustangs. And a lot of people gave me a lot of shit because mostly, I think this is the only Chevy that's ever been in the shop and probably will be the last one that's ever in the shop. But even though that's true, I would really appreciate all the help that I got and all the friends and family that came over here and helped me wrestle this transmission back in there. So I appreciate it. I love all you guys. Keep coming. We'll see what happens on the next part, and I think you're really going to like the season finale or the video finale of this awesome Corvette. So I think we're making it great again. We're going to make it even greater by the end of this. So thanks again for watching.